If you are unable to access your Etsy account due to missing verification codes, you can follow these steps to recover your account. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the Etsy login page. Go to the Etsy website and click on the Sign In button. Enter your email address and click Continue to proceed to the password entry page. Step 2. Click on Forgot Your Password. On the password entry page, look for the Forgot Your Password link and click on it. This will take you to a page where you can initiate the password reset process. Step 3. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Etsy account in the provided field. After entering your email, click on the Email Me a Link button to receive a password reset link. Step 4. Check your email. Open your email inbox and look for the password reset email from Etsy. If you do not see it, check your spam or junk folder. Click on the link in the email to reset your password. Step 5. Reset your password. Follow the instructions in the email to create a new password. Once you have successfully reset your password, return to the Etsy login page and sign in with your new credentials. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to Etsy support for further assistance.